Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Gokulashtami is nearing and today we are here with a recipe of Uppu Side. There is always this fear of Uppu Side bursting and we have addressed this fear by giving you all the tips and tricks on how to make Uppu Side. So let us see how to make this Side. To make this Side we need rice flour or chawal ka atta. So we have made the chawal ka atta on our own. You can check the description box for the link. But you can also use ready-made rice flour. So just make sure that you roast the rice flour before using it. Roast and sift. This is very important for the seed. But roast until you are able to draw a rangoli like this, a continuous line without gap like this. And do not let the color of the rice flour change. We have also roasted urad dal and made a powder out of it. Now let us roast 2 tablespoons grated coconut. We have to roast it until the moisture is gone, until it turns light brown in color. So now it is done, we are switching off the flame. This is also a very important tip, roasting the coconut until the moisture is gone. So the next step is to roast sesame seeds or til. We have taken half tablespoon or 6 grams sesame seeds or safed til. We are going to roast it until they splutter. Switch off the flame and now we are going to mix half teaspoon asafoetida or hing and 1 teaspoon salt. Add a few teaspoons of water to it and make a thin mixture. This is another tip. Instead of adding the salt and hing directly to the dough, we are going to filter this salt and hing water and then add it to the dough so that if there are any particles, they are not going to get added to the dough. And next step is to sift the roasted rice flour. We have to go on sifting it again and again, at least 2 to 3 times, and sift the urad dal flour too. These are some of the important tips. And now we are going to add the sesame seeds or til, the roasted coconut or nariyal, and the hing and salt water that we had made and strained. Now we are adding the butter, 2 tablespoons or 25 grams butter we have added. The dough that we are making should be not sticky. It should be smooth and stiff. This consistency of the dough is very important. Add water little by little. This dough, as I said, should be stiff, so don't make a loose dough. We needed a little more than half cup of water, but don't take this as a standard. See for yourself. Our dough is now ready. As you can see, this is a stiff dough which is also smooth. Take a small portion like this and I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. This is optional, you can do as you wish. And now we are going to make a small ball. This ball should not be smooth. This is another very important tip. Just roll it like this roughly with 3 fingers. There is no need to make any perfect round shape. A crack here and there in fact will help. The moisture will not get trapped and the side will not burst. Now let the side balls rest for at least 10 minutes. Now let us heat a pan. We are using coconut oil for deep frying. You can use any vegetable oil. Coconut oil adds a nice aroma to it. So we have added our nariyal ka tel, and when the oil is hot, we are adding in 1 side ball. Keep a safe distance from the gas stove and we have passed the test with flying colors. Our side has come out well. Now let us add a batch of side. Now we have fried the side on medium flame and when the hush sound is gone, it's time to remove the side. Wow! Our wonderful side are ready. As you can see, they are perfectly golden in color. Can you hear that sound? Crunchy yet melt in the mouth, she likes. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you liked it and comment and share. Bye. Take care.